is now morning. I'm running a bit behind. For some reason, I didn't do the math right for my alarms. And so we're running behind schedule because of me. But I'm on my way to pick up my friend. Good morning. But yes, we're on our way to pick up my friend. And so right now there's one. And now there's more. Bye. All right, and now we're off.
First leg. First
time.
We
got our banana. We got a banana. Some oranges somewhere.
Even saying the time.
8:07 a.m.
It was the most important.
August 18th.
Right on time. Who didn't wake up on time?
I didn't wake up on time.
I mean, either. And Max, were you on them?
Yeah, he was actually. He was like at the curb.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's partly because I didn't sleep, but
So
I was still ready.
montage. Boom. First red dot. Costco gas. I want to do it.
You're getting a receipt,
What the
right?
fuck? Then why are you giving it to me?
Alright.
Which is, you know.
I'm a bet. Ta-da. We made it to the first red dot. Next stop, Krispy Kreme. Krispy Kreme should be right here, and we're right here on this little line going down. We're gonna take a right on Oklahoma.
Should be Oklahoma.
Yeah, Oklahoma should be up there, and we should be looking for Krispy Kreme. We went too far. So on this map, there's not much to go off. And this map I just labeled based off the other map, but it's in this vicinity. Next clip will be the Krispy Kreme. Krispy Kreme, we can.
We need to do like
Ta-da!
I do not remember signing up for
Krispy Kreme. We were so close. So on this map, what was that? Oh, that was the sodas. Yeah. So on this map, it's literally where 2B is.
It's a birthday code.
Through only, because they're doing renovations inside. Oh, look at little Lexus in the back. I'm driving from Krispy Kreme all the way to Green Bay, I guess. Right? That's Green Bay. Oh my God, your brakes are kind of loose. Right, Green Bay? Yeah, I guess I'll drive all the way to Green Bay.
I mean,
So
Michigan.
we've done this to this, and that was a Lexus driving. And now we're driving from here all the way to Green Bay.
That was 3 hours.
Yeah, you driving here to here was 3 hours.
Yeah, but you also had more traffic than he's gonna have.
Boom. I got Krispy Kreme.
Joe Max is mad.
Things are a little chaotic.
Maps.
Bring the song up.
He's not as good as a map person as I
I'm learning.
am.
Sounds like Gladys.
So right here, we want to get on this one, but do we want to take this route around that lake, or do we want to go around Lake Michigan?
That is the question. Do you want trees or just all water?
Do you want
All water?
He did 36.2, and then what?
Click the button on the steering.
And now we're setting it to 0, so we're gonna see. So now we're gonna see how many miles I get. So I'll catch you guys on the road. Max or Alexis will probably record.
His car does that.
In my mind, it's gonna be alright. I'm gonna shake, 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 shake. Shake it off, shake it off.
All right. So what is our detour
So we're taking a detour
in
on
Wisconsin?
this rustic road of R16. So we're gonna get off at this exit here, go down a few miles.
It's
to,
very famous.
Oh yeah, everyone knows R16.
What is its defining features?
This gently winding route runs through Point Beach State Forest. R16 is bordered on both sides by thick groves of deciduous and coniferous trees. Sandy Bay Road offers many glimpses of birds and other wildlife, as well as open vistas of natural sand dunes, including juniper bushes and other shrubbery.
It's beautiful. So that's coming up in
Rustic Road.
So after almost careening off the fucking road because of Ron, here we are, almost at the Rustic Road. Fucking Jesus.
Go around here and then we turn it Prime. Turn right on Prime.
God damn. All right, well I'm pausing it again then. All right, just kidding. This is the fucking Rustic Road apparently. Look how rustic it is.
Located in the village Schwamico, R8 wanders between
Was it that? That looks like.
wanders between stands of hardwood and coniferous trees that stretch along its length.
What are we looking for?
Pine? Yeah, just different trees.
Whoa, look at the trees.
Wow, look at the grasslands. Look at the fucking trees.
It is pretty nice, this little road.
It's fucking sure, man.
It's photogenic.
I can't really get me past the sheep.
Look at the trees.
Wow. Isn't it beautiful?
Florama.
Beautiful Green Bay.
Downtown Green Bay.
Downtown Green Bay. Woo! They got brick walls, half brick walls.
Got a lot that has a bunch of shit in
Oh,
it.
fuck. Yeah, it's lovely. I'm still looking for the water. It's like fucking somewhere over there.
See, we're gonna go over this bridge over here.
Oh, bridge. We're gonna go over the bay.
Whoa. Look at downtown Green Bay. Downtown Green Bay.
Just a few minutes ago, he still had
This
his
is
pose on. Here is
this is overwhelming. This is lovely.
So much, bro. So much to see. Look at the frog.
Oh, fucking.
A fucking frog. Two frogs.
Fucking bro.
In the water.
Dip in the water.
Yeah, the water. He's gonna go into the water. Enjoy the ride.
Woo. Lovely.
Crazy.
A restaurant.
Yeah.
Most places would have it. I think Hagermeister downtown here might have them.
Let's do it. Hagermeister.
Okay.
It's still on,
Probably go to.
on the menu.
Yeah, let's go to Hagermeister.
Where is this? We've decided that we're
So
navigating through
yeah,
maps.
You're pretty much. So it's on Washington Street. So if you took a right up here,
Okay.
and then at the lights take a left, and then before you get to the bridge on the river,
Mm-hmm.
take a left, and that's Washington Street. Go down, it's right on your right hand side. You can't miss it. Hagermeister restaurant.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so
Perfect,
much.
thank you.
What's your name?
My name is John.
Nice to meet you, John.
Hey, nice to
Have a
meet
good
you.
one.
You guys have a good weekend.
Hagermeister.
Hagermeister. So wait, all right, Max. What were the directions?
Right. Then at the light, you take a left.
Take a left, and then
And then once
just
you
before
get
the
to
bridge.
What,
Is
what,
it
go ahead.
before or after?
Before the bridge.
Yeah, just before the bridge. Then you take a left, and you should be on your right, Hagermeister.
All right. Beautiful.
Boom.
Hagermeister.
We're getting curved. You can barely see that, but it's 95 cents. 95 cents per hour, so we'll probably only be here an hour, so like 4 quarters.
You're already 20 minutes in.
Okay. 45 minutes. Hagermeister.
It's not that long. What?
It's a nice little spot. Just off the bridge. Yum.
Oh, you don't know. You don't know yet. Still have to see the menu.
Oh, I gotta scan the menu. I gotta scan the menu. I'm gonna use your forehead as a transition. So just bop your head on the camera. Oh, I thought we were gonna do like cheers.
Grab pussy.
Cheers. The whole reason we came here. Cheese curds.
didn't-
Oh, I'm sorry. All right, let's go again.
Yeah, yeah.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Go. Two.
They're like nice and salty.
We did it. Bucket list checked. Cheese curds in Wisconsin. And then
Tacos a little bit more open.
and then I ordered elk burger, and that's gonna taste amazing. Oh, look at that elk burger.
Juan, you're such a little, rascal.
Anything else for you guys right away?
No, we're good. Thank you. Oh, do you have barbecue sauce?
Yes, I can be right.
Thank you so much. There you go. Look, you got your pork and mac. Look at you.
I'm not even relieved. I'm upset.
Big boy guy who's joking, man.
Look at that. I got the elk burger.
Are you gonna time lapse you eating this burger?
No, but that's just a great idea. I'm just recording.
You should time lapse it instead.
Alright, let me record the first bite, and then I'll time lapse everything else. Because I want to get my reaction. Time lapse doesn't get your reaction. It just.
I'm feeling you're gonna be so disappointed.
Oh my god, look at that. That's such a big burger.
You want it?
It's half a pound. It's quite a lot.
A little bit.
It is a massive. You're eating upside down.
Pretty good. Oh, pretty good.
See, to think this is what we could have had if we pick up that roadkill.
Picked up the dead deer. Sad RIP deer. Well, elk burger, it's pretty good.
Do you think elk tastes considerably different?
Time
than
lapse.
deer?
We are done eating, and we are. Yeah, you did shake my burger. I couldn't finish. Max finished.
Victory!
He wins. Alexis had his tiny little sandwich.
No. You just put my sandwich?
No, you finished it. That's what I'm saying. You finished your little tiny sandwich. You didn't really have a burger like we did. Yes, yes it is. But we're gonna get back on the road.
On the way to Monogamy.
Whatever. Michigan. And then once we get to Michigan, we're going counterclockwise again for drivers.
And the sleepy boy is going to be at the wheel.
You
Yes.
are going at the wheel. He'll be map boy.
Map man. You thinking you were Map man.
I get to go and
That is pretty cool.
I don't know what I'll do in the back, but I'll do it.
It's like,
On the road again. On the way to Monogamy. Rustic Road number 2 has been lost to time. We passed it. We never turned, but we did see some marshes though.
We saw marshes.
Some marshes, but now
We took the scenic route. Why take the expressway when we can go?
yeah. Max,
Take
can you point to where we are? Right there on your left.
okay, so we got on here.
Okay.
We got on here, and we were supposed to have turned left there and got onto a scenic rustic road,
There's water.
but we clearly missed it, and now we're all the way the fuck up here. So we're just bypassing
Okay. So now we're
the
just
big chunk. We're just going back to the expressway.
We just basically did the scenic route.
On the way to Menominee.
Menominee.
We're in Michigan. Menominee, City Limit. Michigan Welcome Center.
Boom. We made it to Michigan. We're at the Welcome Center because we need pamphlets.
Okay, so we're here now.
What was it? School?
It was in school.
Schoolcraft
Right
Yeah, right here.
up there. Okay, so around the Manistee area.
Oh, this is a lot more detailed than that now. It's about the same.
Cool.
It's the exact same.
Is it the same map? I
Yeah.
thought the other one was bigger.
No.
So here's your time zone change. So it'll be an Eastern time there. Okay, down here's Fayette. Fayette's an old historic iron smelting town site from the 1800s. They've opened the buildings there, and you can tour through them and learn about the iron smelting, iron mining history of the UP. So there's some hiking trails, camping, that kind of thing. Buildings are open till 8 p.m. Just FYI. North of there is Kitchitikipi, the big spring. It's a natural 40-foot deep cold spring. And there's this raft, and you pull it across. You can see all the way down to the bottom. Large trout, water bubble, very quiet and serene. So both of these are state parks. So the day pass for the carload is $11. The annual is $39. Okay. Then in Manistee, there's a boardwalk where you can just walk along the lake. Shuswap Point has a lighthouse. You can go up into the tower, go through the house, and it's $5 a person. No open-toed shoes, sandals, that kind of thing to go up into the tower. Here at Nobbin Way is the top of the Lake Snowmobile Museum, and there's a zoo near Nobbin Way. So that's all kind of within your vicinity.
Okay.
Also, if you go up to Munising, there's the pictured rocks.
Yeah, that's what
Okay,
I was.
so that's kind of an area you're gonna hit.
We're also planning on the Taco Menyam.
Okay, going up to the waterfalls. Okay, this weekend up there is the Wild Blueberry Festival, too.
Yes.
Newberry is home to Oswald's Bear Ranch. Dean Oswald rescues bears that have been abandoned by their mothers and raises them to adulthood. There's a logging museum there in Newberry, the falls, and the shipwreck museum at Whitefish Point. Yep, features shipwrecks of all the Great Lakes, including the Emma Fitzgerald. So yeah, I'll get you the Munising book and then area information on that.
Yeah.
Waterfalls. So that'll help you there.
There you
And then
go,
there's
Alexis.
How'd you know?
hiking trails, and then to
Is that the bear thing?
This is the bear thing. Yeah, in Newberry. So I'll put that all in the Tequamanon guide.
Yes. Oh my God.
Good.
You are amazing.
Well, that's what I do every day.
What's your name? What's your name?
Vivian,
Vivian. Nice to meet you, Vivian.
Nice to meet you.
Carlos, Max, Alexis.
where are you guys coming from?
Chicago.
Okay. All right, escaping the city for the weekend.
Yeah.
Good.
It's been a nice drive so far.
All
So
right.
today we're just getting the camp and setting up, right?
Yeah, we're just gonna go to the camp and set up.
Do a little.
Oh wait! What was my miles per gallon?
36.6.
36.6. What was yours?
37.6.
No, it fucking wasn't.
Yes, it fucking was.
No, we'll
Damn
check the
thing.
fucking footage. He did 36.2.
A flat.
She was lovely, great person.
Do a little turn over here
We're
to get your feel good.
we're gonna start heading. We're gonna start heading out. I'm in the back seat now, and Alexis being the map guy.
No.
Let's see if you can do a good job.
Menominee is great.
It's a
Whoa!
It's cooler over there.
Oh, there's pillows in the way. Oh, look at those nostrils.
Oh, and they're clean too.
Mattel, a big player in
Do you want to show them where we're at?
Yeah, show us where we are.
So we just packed Big Cedar River, beautiful. And so we're coming up on the Eastern time zone. And halfway through Escanaba.
Based on the Magic 8 Ball.
We're an hour later.
Yeah, we lost an hour.
Yep.
More movies based on toys.
So,
Nostalgia.
Did I do that or did you do that?
You did that.
Okay. We're coming up on our next stop. One more. One more. For one more.
That used to be.
That's Hobby Lobby.
Oh, it used to be a Marshall. There was a blue.
Right there.
One more.
Culvers!
One more. Broth, burgers, veggie burgers, not protein, real burgers. Corn, buns, and we got water. We don't need.
DVD.
Yeah.
Clearance DVD.
Clearance DVD. So. Oh, we need a cart. What are we doing? I'm gonna get some worms. And then we also got rod. So, because we are gonna try to go kayaking and fishing, or canoeing and fishing. So, that's that. Next, we're wrapping up. We got food. We got corn. We got rods. We got the fishing poles. Corn for the fish. Corn for us. Condiments, buns. Your lukewarm water. And then we got night crawlers for fishing as well.
So stay tuned. Also, I might be hugging a bear. I might be hugging a bear sometime this week, so stay tuned for that. We're fresh out of Walmart. We're running really late.
How many hours has it been? We started at 8.
We started at 8. It is now 7:41, but subtract an hour. Because we skipped an hour ahead, time zones. So 6, so that would be what? 10 hours? We've been driving for 10 hours, but we've made a lot of stops. We're at the last stretch. Let's hope we can get there within an hour.
Yeah.
Just so that we have time to set up our camp
in 15 minutes.
in 15 minutes. So, fingers out.
We might break down in the middle of the forest.
I hope we do that. But, yeah. Peace out. We're going places.
Going off road, but not really, because it's still a road, but gravel.
Or it's like congested gravel. It is day 666 of being lost in the woods.
All I see is dirt roads and trees.
All I see is dirt roads and trees.
All
All the gravel.
We're finally getting.
We're on paved road
I
and
burst into tears every time I hear the name Stupid.
stupid.
I remember the way back.
Remember what?
For the gas?
Yeah, the way back.
Oh, it's stupid. So yeah.
So we do that tomorrow morning?
Yeah. Because it's the closest gas, probably. It's a straight path.
We have blinking. Show them the fucking gas. Show them the fucking blinking gas.
We're good. We're good.
We found a gas. The pumps were turned off,
Yeah.
and nobody was there.
Yeah.
So we just paid for the firewood and went for our campground.
Yeah, we got firewood at least. The pumps were off, like he said, but we're gonna go back in the morning, get gas, and we still got some sunlight.
Oh, fucking mosquitoes. Oh, yeah.
We're gonna make it to the campsite, but we definitely should have gotten more gas.
Oh, yeah. For one fill, this is pretty good.
Yeah, for one fill, well, 1 fill and a quarter, right? Because you had like a quarter left. Or
Yeah.
no?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
However, we did push our gas to its very limit.
Like twice.
Twice, yeah. So like we basically like used all the gas we had in our tank to get here. We got firewood, so we at least are gonna be able to stay warm while we set everything up. We got tiki torches, so hopefully like we don't get a lot of mosquito bites. And yeah, besides that, I'll leave this here. Oh, we're here. We made it. We made it to our campsite, middle of nowhere.
It sure is.
Look at that. This dirt road, Crooked Lake.
That's us.
God. Yeah.
That's fucking. That's fucked.
Kind of cool though.
We're camping in the middle of the woods. Yeah.
You told me to pick something.
Yeah, we picked something good. But yeah, this is where we're camping. Middle of bumfuck nowhere. But if you're not doing it camping like this, you're not doing it right. Was that a rat? No, I think it was a possum.
The jingly keychain.
Yeah.
You do night photography?
Yeah, but not night video. I could do flash, but my battery's too low.
Well, I can get the lanterns up pretty soon.
Yeah, we'll get the lanterns and the tiki torches. But this is it. We got a perfect view of the lake though. Time lapse here. So the tent right there.
The ground in there is kind of uneven.
I think that's as even as it gets, max.
Kinda.
Let the time lapse.